Hello children, welcome to my channel Learn with Love. Today we are going to learn what articles are, their uses and how and when to use them in a sentence. I have given detailed explanation in this class, so do watch it till the end. Click on the link in the description box to download free worksheets and try them out. Come, let's learn articles with love. We know that ye, and the are articles. But what are articles? Articles are words that qualify a noun. Qualify means to say something specific. So articles make the meanings of nouns more specific. Since an article specifies a noun, it appears almost always before a noun in a sentence. Look at the following example. I ate an apple. Here apple is the noun and the article an appears right before it. But sometimes the article and the noun are separated by a few words like this sentence. I ate a big juicy apple. Here the noun and article are separated by the words big and juicy. Now let's learn where to use them. What does ye or an mean? It means one. An apple means one apple. A dog means one dog. So these articles should be used only before countable nouns. Do you remember what countable and uncountable nouns are? We learnt about it in the last class. Nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns, and nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. For detailed explanation, you can check out my previous video. I have left the link in the description. Do check it out if you haven't. As I was saying, ye and an, which means one, should be used only with countable nouns. Water, oil, sugar and milk are not countable. So we cannot say 2 oil or 3 milk. So these nouns do not take the articles ye or an before them. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound and an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O and U. And consonants are all letters except A, E, I, O and U. I have some questions for you here. Pause the video. Take a few minutes to think which article, a or an, would come before the following nouns. Then resume the video and check the answers. So the answers are, that was easy, right? Now I have some more but a little tricky questions for you. Let's discuss that. First, let's quickly revise only the vowel sounds. Remember, an is not used before a vowel but before a vowel sound. A is not used before a consonant but before a consonant sound. Repeat the vowels after me. A, A, as in apple. A, A, as in elephant. E, E, as in ink. O, O, as in on. And the last one, A, A. Notice that the sound is not U but A, A, as in umbrella. So the vowel sounds are A, E, O, A. Repeat after me. A, E, O, A. One more time. A, E, O, A. And the article an is used before these sounds. Let's take a look at the first two questions. Dash our dash horse. Even though both these words begin with the same letter H, they sound different. The first word is pronounced as our. Oh. Because H is silent in this word, it begins with the sound O. Our. O. Which is a vowel sound. Thus, it takes the article and before it. But the second word is pronounced as horse. Ha. Which is not a vowel sound and hence it takes the article A before it. University, umbrella. University. University. U is not a vowel sound, so it takes the article A before it. Umbrella. A. A is a vowel sound, so it takes the article an. European. U again not a vowel sound and so it takes the article a. But egg. A is a vowel sound and we use the article an. MLA. A. So it begins with a vowel sound a. Remember the vowel sounds are a, e, a. So MLA takes an article before it. And MLA. A mountain because mountain, ma is not a vowel sound. How do we pronounce one? Wa. Wa is not a vowel sound, so we should say a 1 rupee note. But O in opportunity is a vowel sound, so we say an opportunity. Children, articles are of two types, definite article and indefinite article. When we speak about something that the listener doesn't know already, we use indefinite articles a and an. And when we speak about something that the listener is already familiar with, we use the definite article the. For example, I bought a book today. You don't know anything about the book till now. This is the first time I am mentioning it to you. So I am using the indefinite article a. I bought a book today. But now that I have said it, you know that I have a book which I bought today. So hereafter, when I talk about the book, I will use the definite article the. I will say the book. So you know that I am talking about the book I mentioned previously. The book seems very interesting. Let's take a look at another example. Every morning I take a bus to school. I wait for the bus near a park. When we mention something for the first time, we should use a, and the second time we can use the. We have come to the end of the class. I hope it was useful to you. If you have any doubts, please leave them in the comment section. The one mistake children commonly make with article is that they would use articles before proper nouns. We should never do that. Again, if you don't know what proper nouns are, you must definitely check out my previous class on noun because that is the basic and we must be thorough with it. I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, remember, I love you all. Bye.